Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to TV and upgrade to Google TV Android TV OS version 14 or latest version. See, this is a Google TV Streamer 4K device. It has Android TV OS version 14. We also get Android TV OS version 15, 16, 17 when it releases. Let me check the ports of this device. See, this is a HDMI output port. Here we can connect HDMI cable from the TV. This is LAN port. Here we can connect LAN cable from modem or router so we can access internet. This is the USB Type-C power port. Here we can connect power cable from the power adapter. This is a reset button. This is LED light. Let me connect this power cable to this power port. Okay, done. Here you can see light. That means right now this device is booting. Let me connect this HDMI cable to HDMI output port. Other end of this cable we can connect to TV. Let me connect to this HDMI output port. Done. Let me connect other end of HDMI cable to TV. Okay, done. We need to press and hold back button and home button. These two buttons together to pair the remote. See, now I can see content from this Google TV Streamer 4K device in this TV. Let me check Google TV Android TV OS version. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about. Go down, here you can see Android TV OS version 14. See, this way we can connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to TV and upgrade to Android TV OS version 14 or latest one. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share.